Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to insert slicer to filter your data. So, let's look at this data. We have a data of product, category, region and sales amount. So, if you want to filter this data region wise, what will you do? So, you will firstly select your data, you will apply you will go to data and you will apply filter to know the uh, sales amount for example east. So you have to filter the region one by one. So to get rid of this, what will we do? So we will use a excel feature which is slicer. So first of all, we will select our data, we will convert this to table, and we will go to the insert tab and we will select slicer option. So we will choose the option of region and category and press ok. So here we have two slicers of category and region. So to filter our data, we will select east option. So here our data is now filtered and it is showing the sales amount only for east region. And if we click on south and if we click on furniture, this will filter the data according to the south region and category furniture. If we choose electronics, it will show the data according to electronics. If we choose office, it will show the sales amount of office and in the south region. So if we click on west, it will show the filter data of west region and category office. So to remove the filter, we will click here and uh, our whole data is now here. And I hope you have understood the use of slicer feature in Excel.